In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Typeform in my landing page. We'll take a form you've already built in Typeform and place it directly on your landing page so visitors can interact with it without leaving your site. This works with most website builders and landing page tools, and you only need edit access to your page. Start by logging into your Typeform account. Once you're in, open the form you want to embed. Make sure it's the final version you want to show on your site, since the embed will reflect whatever's in this form. Next, go to the Share panel. You'll find it in the top navigation inside Typeform. From there, select the option labeled Embed in a web page. This is where you choose how the form appears on your site and tailor the experience for your audience. You'll see several embed types. Standard places the form inside your page content, which is great for a section in the middle of a landing page. Full page makes the form take up the entire page area for a focused, immersive experience. Pop-up opens the form in a modal window when triggered, and slider slides in from the side, which can be less intrusive while still catching attention. Pick the style that matches your layout and goals. Now customize the settings. Adjust the height so the form fits comfortably within your page design, and set mobile behavior to ensure it's easy to use on smaller screens. These options help your form feel native to your site rather than squeezed in. If you're unsure, start with the recommended defaults, then refine later based on how it looks within your layout. When you're satisfied, click Start Embedding. Typeform will generate an HTML embed code for you. Click Copy to grab the code. This snippet contains everything your page needs to load the form, so keep it exactly as Typeform provides it. Head to your landing page editor and add an HTML code block to the part of the page where you want the form to appear. Different builders might call this an HTML, code, or embed block, but they all do the same thing. They accept custom HTML. Paste the code you copied from Typeform into that block. Place it in the precise section where it should display, such as beneath a headline or within a form section, so it aligns with your design and call to action. That's it. You've embedded your Typeform into your landing page using the provided code and settings, giving visitors a smooth, on-page way to submit responses.